Hello and welcome to this demonstration. Uh, this is Ritam. We would like to demonstrate today one of the advanced prototypes that we have built for accessing the data in the most user-friendly manner, especially for the leadership team or the functional heads or the departmental heads who have very little less time to learn how to get the data, rather than they are more interested in getting the data as and when they want to take a decision forward. So today we will be presenting you what we call Voice BI. It's an advanced AI-driven solution which can effectively allow you to talk to or chat with your business data. We will show you how any information that your enterprise is holding can be just a question away, and you can access this this data anytime, anywhere, with all the security measures in place. So let me start the presentation and the demonstration bit, and we can talk as we go ahead with the demonstration. So this is the chatbot. What you can see, this is also integrated with the Alexa device. So whatever I'm going to write in the chat, you can do the same over voice commands. So imagine you are in a boardroom and you are going through a review process at the org level, and you are going to be talking about the organizational scorecards and how to strategize your next month's or next year's plan. So how do you go about it? So let me show you. So let's start that. You can start asking that what is show me the gross margin for the last year. Now, there is no hard and fast rule how you ask these questions. It's a free form natural language that then you can use, and the data is getting pulled up from your underlying data sources. You may have an ERP, you have maybe a CRM or your enterprise applications from where this can hook up on, and it is bringing up the information for you. Now you can do much more than just pulling up the reports. For example, now I want to do some in-depth analysis. So let's say, show me the sales trend across regions for the last year. So now it is showing up our sales for revenue that is happening across different regions. If you're operating across the calendar year, it is showing up all of this information. Now let's go deeper. You want to understand that which products are actually driving this growth and this trend that you're looking at. So you can say this show, or like, let's say in a different way, pull up the sales trend for the top 5 products for the last year. Okay, so now you can see on the right side, you are given the unique data points, the 5 of the products that we are talking about, and on the left side, it is showing you the sales trend for those products only in different months. So which you can effectively look at and slice and dice. You can even talk about that filter by. You can now slice and dice on this. You can say that filter by region, say Gujarat. So now you're not only getting the overall data, but you're now finding out that for all those 5 products for a particular region, how it has been scoring across the calendar year. Now, it's just not limited. You can even start doing comparisons across regions. So let's say you want to do compare the gross margin between region Gujarat and Karnataka for the last year. So it is now comparing the data for two of the regions that I have mentioned across the different months the last year, and it's putting up all the information right on the screen. Now you can further do analysis. You can simply download them as a PDF, or you can download it as an Excel, and you can do further analysis of it. Now, let me go into a very complicated question. So let me say that, okay, I want to compare the sales trends from the top 5 products for a particular region in the last year. Let's try to get that. Or first, let me try to find out which are those top 5 products for the last year. So let's say I'm asking which are the top 5 products for last year. So it is based on the revenue. It is bringing up which are those products. Let me just copy one of the product for my understanding, for my support queries. So the next query. Now let's try to see that this Eco Ultra 14-inch i3 is the topmost product in my line, which is the maximum grossing in the last year. So now I want to see that how it has been faring across different regions. So show sales trend for products. So you see it is autofilling, so I may not remember all of it, so I can simply get an autofill option. So I can put this for product, this for region, let's say Gujarat, because I think I have data for that, for the last year. So you see, now it is not only giving you the overall data, but you can actually query, and you see that although this is the highest grossing product, but it fell in the month of October, and there may be some reasons behind it. You can also, not just the top one, you can also look for which are my bottom 5 products for the last year. So it brings up all the different slices of dice. So as a leadership team, or a departmental head, or a functional head, you are in complete control of your data, and you're bringing those information in a meaningful manner onto your screens in real time whenever you want. So we can get rid of all those folders that you carry, the presentation decks that you get developed from by your team when you go into the review meetings. Gone would be the days. You can directly go light into your discussion. You can directly start pulling up the information as you talk, and this entire solution is virtually allowing you to speak to your data literally. Now, whatever thing we have done here through chats, the same thing is possible through the voice if you have an Alexa device. And the solution can work as a kind of conference mode, in a conference mode where multiple people can join and they key in these codes. So every person will get what they see here onto their screen. So one person keeps asking the question, and everyone goes to able to see them live wherever they are joining. So this is a revolutionizing product, and it's a prototype that we have built, and we believe that it has a very good use case value when it comes to data accessibility, the real-time access of the data, and overall the natural language interface that it provides to you, which absolutely becomes the most user-friendly way for the CXOs who have no time to learn how, but they want to focus on what to take the decisions at the faster and with data-driven approach. So this is all I wanted to show you. Thanks for your time, and good day.